Why you must grab Gizmo right now. Automatically share any affiliate link. Get free traffic from 200 sources. No tech skills or experience needed. 3-figure-a-day tutorials included. No upfront costs or risk. Let Gizmo promote products for you. No complicated setup or commitments. Be the first to ride this new wave. Features of Gizmo. Auto share any affiliate link to 200 free traffic sources in 52 seconds. Enjoy the power of human-like AI. Built on the latest ChatGPT 4.0. 200 plus one-click traffic sources included. Auto share any affiliate offer. Works on all devices. Newbie-friendly interface. Analytics and tracking built-in. Created for beginners. Automatic traffic generation. Biz in a box. Commercial license included. No tech skills or experience needed. Gizmo lets us get free traffic from 200 different free traffic sources. And when we can get traffic, then sales are guaranteed to follow. As the golden formula is, traffic equals sales. Just last month alone we generated over $29,331.60 in net profit from affiliate offers. Gizmo includes everything you need to clone our $479 per day machine. Brand new Gizmo app. Make money from any affiliate link up to $479 per day. Worth $47 per month. Gizmo Win Fast. Worth $997. Gizmo Auto Bot. Shares it passively to 200 free traffic sources in 52 seconds for sales 100% hands-free. Worth $997. Gizmo Go. Works on any device. Worth $297. Click-by-click training. Worth $197. World-class support. Worth $497. Gizmo one-on-one mentoring. Worth $2,997. Bonus 1. Get results in the first 10 minutes. Worth $197. Bonus 2. 3 ways we bank fast with Gizmo. Worth $297. Bonus 3. Commercial license. You can sell this as a traffic service to others for $100 to $500 over and over. Worth $997. Bonus 4. 10x money making AI apps. Make $100 to $500 a day. Worth $197. Bonus 5. How we scale Gizmo to 10K month. Worth $997. Grab Gizmo now and save $57. Usually, today only one time $9.95. If you purchase through the link in the description, I'll give you a bonus worth $297 for free. To get this bonus, just take a screenshot of your purchase and send it to me on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more videos.